Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for partnership firm GST registration. We will begin by understanding the fundamental reasons why your partnership firm needs to register for goods and services tax. This registration is crucial for legal compliance and enables you to claim input tax credit, which can significantly reduce your tax liability. We will also cover the basic eligibility requirements, ensuring you know if your firm qualifies for this important step. Let's dive right into the process. Moving on, preparing your documents beforehand is a critical step to ensure a smooth GST registration process. You will need your partnership deed, which is a foundational legal document. Also, have the firm's permanent account number card and valid proof of the principal place of business. Don't forget to include bank account statements or a canceled check, along with identity and address proofs for all partners and the authorized signatory. Having these ready saves a lot of time. Now, let's walk through the online application process on the official Goods and Services Tax Portal. First, you will complete part of the registration form, providing your firm's name, permanent account number, and contact details. After receiving a temporary reference number, proceed to Part B. Here, you will input detailed business information, upload all your prepared documents, and verify the application using an electronic verification code or digital signature certificate. This ensures accuracy and security. Once you have submitted your application, you can easily track its status on the portal using your temporary reference number. Typically, the process takes about 3 to 7 working days for approval, provided all documents are correct. Upon successful verification, you will receive your unique 15-digit Goods and Services Tax Identification number. Remember, registration is just the beginning. Ongoing compliance, such as filing monthly or quarterly returns, is essential to avoid penalties and maintain good standing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.